Don't show my belly.
I saw this online. We're gonna see if it works. We have 3 cell phones here. We have a little pile of popcorn kernels in the middle, and I heard this might have been a prank. So we're gonna see if we can call all 3 phones. While they go off together, they'll pop the popcorn. So, and 3, 2, 1.
Was my phone too slow? Your battery's dead.
And they're ringing. Took a while in the videos.
It is not going to pop the popcorn.
There's no way.
No, what? It is not.
It was on the internet. It's got to be true.
It's funny.